The power of good time management. 1. Prioritize tasks effectively and manage your time efficiently. Imagine this scenario: you have a mountain of tasks and deadlines looming over you, feeling overwhelmed and stressed. The clock is ticking and you don't know where to start. Does this sound familiar? If so, you're not alone. Many of us struggle with managing our time effectively and prioritizing tasks. But why is it so important to tackle this issue head-on? Well, let me tell you why. First and foremost, effective task prioritization and time management are essential for productivity. When you prioritize tasks, you identify what needs to be done first and allocate your time and resources accordingly. By doing so, you ensure that the most urgent and important tasks are completed promptly. This not only reduces the risk of missing deadlines but also increases your overall efficiency. When you manage your time effectively, you can focus on one task at a time, leading to better quality work and fewer mistakes. Second, effective task prioritization and time management help in reducing stress levels. When you have a clear plan and organized approach towards your tasks, you have a sense of control over your work. This alleviates anxiety and overwhelm, allowing you to work more calmly and with a clearer mind. By managing your time efficiently, you can also avoid last-minute rushes and frantic scrambling to meet deadlines, leading to a more relaxed work environment. Third, effective task prioritization and time management also contribute to your personal and professional growth. When you prioritize tasks, you are consciously making decisions about what is most important to you and what will have the greatest impact. This helps you align your activities with your long-term goals and focus on tasks that contribute to your growth and success. Additionally, by managing your time effectively, you create opportunities to learn and develop new skills, as you have the time to invest in self-improvement activities. Lastly, effective task prioritization and time management are crucial for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. When you have a clear understanding of your priorities and manage your time efficiently, you can allocate dedicated time for both work and personal life. This prevents your work from encroaching into your personal life and allows you to enjoy quality time with loved ones and pursue hobbies and interests outside of work. A healthy work-life balance is vital for your overall well-being and happiness. In conclusion, prioritizing tasks effectively and managing your time efficiently are essential for increased productivity, reduced stress levels, personal and professional growth, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. By developing these skills, you can take control of your time and tasks, leading to a more fulfilling and successful life. So why wait? Start implementing effective task prioritization and time management strategies today and unlock your true potential. 2. Deliver work on time and meet deadlines consistently. Have you ever wondered why delivering work on time and meeting deadlines consistently is so important? In today's fast-paced and competitive world, it is crucial for individuals and businesses to stay on track and deliver their work within the given time frame. Meeting deadlines not only showcases your professionalism and reliability but also helps you establish a positive reputation and build trust with your clients and colleagues. One of the main reasons why delivering work on time is important is because it helps maintain a smooth workflow. When you commit to a deadline and fulfill it, you contribute to the overall efficiency of a project or task. Timely delivery allows other team members or stakeholders to proceed with their work without any unnecessary delays or disruptions. This leads to improved collaboration and productivity within the team. Meeting deadlines consistently also indicates that you have effective time management skills. Time management is a crucial aspect of personal and professional success. It involves prioritizing tasks, setting realistic deadlines, and allocating resources efficiently. By delivering work on time, you demonstrate that you can effectively manage your time and that you are reliable and organized in your approach. Furthermore, meeting deadlines consistently helps you build and maintain credibility. When you consistently deliver work on time, people start to trust your word and rely on your abilities. This can have a positive impact on your career progression and prospects. Employers, clients, or colleagues value individuals who can be relied upon to meet deadlines, as it minimizes the risk of delays and disruptions. In addition, delivering work on time can enhance your professional image and reputation. It showcases that you are dedicated, responsible, and capable of handling work efficiently. This positive perception can lead to more opportunities, such as promotions, new clients, or partnerships. In contrast, consistently missing deadlines can damage your professional image, hinder your progress, and lead to missed opportunities. To conclude, delivering work on time and meeting deadlines consistently is incredibly important for several reasons. It maintains a smooth workflow, demonstrates effective time management skills, builds trust and credibility, and enhances your professional image. So, make it a priority to honor your commitments, be proactive in managing your time, and deliver your work on time. Remember, being reliable and meeting deadlines consistently can make a significant difference in your personal and professional success.